Hi guys, this is Edwin Kirugo from Biotank Africa here in Thika, and today we want to take you through the assembly of the ready-made Biotank Biodigester for your home. It's an easy process. You don't need any specialized personnel to do it for you. In fact, you don't even need to be skilled in any way. We'll take you through the step-by-step assembly process of the Biotank system, and then you'll be able to do it yourself once you receive it at your home. So come with me, let's see how that is done. So before you get started on the assembly process, it's always good to ensure that you have everything that you need for the whole job. So I'm going to take you through exactly everything that you need to have with you as you get started on the assembly. First of all, you'll need to have two partition boards that look something like this. Two small lids that should go on top of the biotank once we finish the assembly. We also have one big lid like this one. So in total you should have 3 lids. Basically, we'll show where they go to. Thirdly, you will need to have bolt and screw. They should be 48 in number, again to help us screw the tank together. Number 4, you'll need 2 rubber rings like these ones. Number 5, you'll need this is the gasket. This is the double tape that should hold the top and the bottom of the tank together before you screw them together using the screw and nuts. Finally, we have this is an elbow. This is what normally takes the water from one chamber to the next, and you should ensure that you have 2 of them like this, and they are perforated on one end so that you are able to put them in the partition board easily. Then finally, we have the main thing, which is the bottom of the tank. It resembles something like this. You will notice inside the bottom we have a lot of grooving. Normally, before the tank is delivered to your site, we have already pre-marked for you where partition boards should go in, and this is the bottom part of the tank. Then we have the top part of the tank, which is right here, and it has inspection holes. So you can tell it's the top because it has those inspection points. Equally, it also has the inlet side and the outlet side that are already drilled. And so this is what will go on top as we do the assembly process. So once you are sure you have everything that you require for the assembly, you take the bottom part, you put it down on a flat surface like here, and then once you put it flat like that, go for your partition boards. Take the first partition board, and then look at the rail that is already marked white, like this one here, and ensure, look at this peg on both sides, ensure that it's pegged properly inside the rail like that. Get the second one, same thing, again on the marked rail, ensure it's pegged. So that's what it should look like once you peg it properly. Okay, then the next thing is get your elbow. Now you'll notice once you put the partition boards, there is a side that is fixed, which is obviously this one. Automatically, this becomes your inlet side. So the water will flow in this direction. That being the case, your elbows should be put on that side of the inlet, like I'm putting mine, on the big side. So it's already perforated to ensure that it is easy to put it in. So it should be pointed down like that. Take the second one, same thing. And so you should have it looking something like this, where the elbows are facing that way. Once you're done with the elbows, the next thing you need is your sealing tape, the gasket that should go around the tank. So it's actually double tape. meaning that it has glue on both sides. And then as you place it on the bottom of the tank, ensure that it lies on top of the screw holes, mahali screw itapitia, and that goes smoothly around the tank with it. So once you're done doing the taping around the tank, putting the gasket, now it's time to put the top part of the tank, which is right here. So you'll need to position it properly so that just as the partition boards were positioned at the bottom, they should fit in at the top side in the same groove, so that when you screw, the entire thing falls in together compact as one tank. Once you're done with that part, the next part is now screwing your tank around, and my assistant here will show you how that's done. So you'll take the screw and the nut, and once you push it, you'll break through the gasket, as it were, and then you'll go through. Of course, you'll not use your hand. You'll need to have a spanner. Once done with the screws and you've fastened them properly, you are certain that the tank is, the bottom part and the top part are firmly put together. The next part, you need to get your rubber ring, and this is where they go in. We have the inlet hole on this side, and the purpose of this ring is to ensure that the 4-inch waste pipe is held tightly when it gets into the tank. So this is how you do the installation for the rubber ring. It has a groove on it, so the groove should go inside the tank like that, all round. On the other end, we have one for the outlet side, and I'll show you how to put it, the same thing. So if you could come over, repeat the same process. Once you're done, the last thing, remember you had your small lids, that's where they go in. The second one goes in here, and the last one is here. And that's how the biotank should look like once the assembly is done. And now it's ready for installation.